Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. I have a new pair of favorite shoes. These size 8.5 Zamikoo shoes are so beautiful. I just love to wear them with dresses and skirts, and they are even amazing styled with capris and pants. I love to show them off with these capris because they are that gorgeous. I've gotten so many compliments on these shoes, you can't even believe it. They are so comfy to wear. I just love the chunky heel. I feel like it helps me to wear them all day long. And now they are my go-to shoes. I have them ready to wear at any time. And with tights, they look perfect also. You will love them like I do, along with the other 20 styles and colors they have. Zamikoo has really upped their game. So folks, check out all the colors. Get a few because they are so comfy and you will love them. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.